Shandong Shanqi Group Machinery Co., Limited, SQMG, is located in the beautiful coastal city of Leizhou, Shandong Province, the hometown of China's construction machinery. With more than 30 years of experience in the industry, the factory covers an area of 130,000 square meters, more than 300 employees, with the high-end and intelligent production equipment in the whole industry. Shanqi Group is committed to building an industry-leading and internationally renowned construction machinery enterprise. $30,000-watt, ultra-high-power laser cutting machine, fully realizing high-precision parts cutting surface flat and smooth. 14 sets of robotic welding equipment. Weld seam flat and tight solid. The frame is tightly closed. A higher degree of solidity. Boring machine. The industry's top precision and accuracy equipment. Equipped with stable phonics system, can easily process a variety of large volume frame, hole-to-hole concentricity alignment, reduce errors to extend the service life of the machine. IGV intelligent assembly line with the latest assembly technology. The length of the production line is 200 meters. A total of 3 production lines, using 36 AGVs. All are operated by magnetic navigation. This is the first time the technology is applied to the construction machinery production industry and equipped with 15 AGV delivery robots. The overall production line logistics distribution also realized AGV transit. At the same time, in order to ensure that every detail, Shanqi Group has a raw material refinement system, and all sheet metal parts are coated with the world's most advanced super rust-proof electrophoretic coating process to ensure that there is no perforation or corrosion. Meanwhile, the electrostatic powder coating process uses the world's top AkzoNobel powder, more environmentally friendly at the same time, to ensure that the paint does not fall out of the powder, not paint. Shanqi Machinery is committed to technological innovation and providing excellent products, as well as reliable and prompt service to our customers.